Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by protecting yourself and the work area. Stainless dust and sparks are hazardous. Next, measure and mark the removal line precisely, then score a shallow groove about 1/32 inch deep to guide the blade. Once clamped securely, make the initial pass with an angle grinder fitted with a cut-off wheel, using steady pressure and slow feed to avoid overheating. Keep the wheel flat and follow the scored line. Make sure to stop and inspect the kerf frequently to confirm alignment. Once the initial kerf is established, continue by working methodically through the metal while controlling heat buildup. For pieces thicker than 3/16 inch, switch to a plasma cutter or a thin kerf carbide saw to maintain accuracy and feed rate. When cutting curves, drill small relief holes at internal corners or use a step drill to start. Use short cutting intervals and let the metal cool between passes. This prevents warping and preserves temper. Stay aware of blade condition and replace if glazing or vibe. To finish, remove burrs with a flap wheel and then sand in stages from 120 grit up to 400 grit to blend the edges with the surrounding stainless. Once smooth, clean the area with solvent, then passivate using a citric or nitric solution to restore chromium oxide and prevent rust. Rinse and dry thoroughly. If you see heat discoloration or minor warping, clamp the piece and cool slowly, or perform stitch welding and regrind to correct distortion. If cuts don't align, remeasure and trim.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.